The project name is San Luis Obispo Creek Resiliency and Rewilding. From the headwaters up there at Cuesta Grade down to the estuary at Avila Beach, the students here in the Central Coast are going to get a feel for how ag and human activity can work in harmony side by side with a healthy natural habitat. We're going to have hundreds of school children here, so safety is paramount, but they're going to see this unbelievable habitat. We've got red-legged frog, western pond turtle, great steelhead migration habitat, even though right behind us is Target. It's a big box store with a big parking lot. And you'd never know that there's this high quality habitat right here unless you made the effort. The students are going to benefit, and so are the people of San Luis Obispo County. We got this beautiful 26-acre farm. The school buses will drop the kids off in the corner of the farm, walk them through the farm. They'll see the organic agriculture activity underway. They'll get a feel for the whole watershed. There's almost no place better to do watershed education. We'll walk the kids up this trail, and we've engineered 12 stops along the way. That'll be interpretive places. There'll be signage. There's lessons that integrate with what they are learning in the classroom. Yeah, but the main thing is getting the students out into nature so they can establish their own relationship with their home. We couldn't be doing any of this without the Harold J. Miosi Charitable Trust. So thanks, Miosi Trust.